People are watching your videos or your clients' videos, but it seems that they don't gain an audience. So the view count is piling up and more views are coming in, but it doesn't seem like they are actually building an audience and actually getting connections and actual real viewers. It's like one video gets a lot of comments and likes, but others nothing. Seems like your audience doesn't actually love all of your videos, just some of them. I'm going to show you a simple way to fix this, because if you have an entrepreneur or you want to make content to sell information or sell your business, it's not enough to get viewers, you have to build the audience. So let's fix this. But first, who am I? I'm Zsomtor and I have millions of views in long form and hundreds of millions of views in short form, worked with people like this one here, Pat Walls, Sebastian Ghiorghiu. Now I'm helping video editors become more valuable so they don't have to compete with other editors and to make them more skillful than 90% of other editors. This is one of the guy I helped. He landed 3 clients in 4 weeks and made $500 from being a completely beginner. So imagine this. You start a YouTube channel and you test different videos in length. So one video is 3 minutes, one video is 5 minutes, 20 minutes, different videos in style. Sometimes you just talk to the camera, sometimes you do a vlog, sometimes you do a whiteboard video, and different types of editing, super polished editing or no editing at all. But you test different things and you upload different things and one goes viral. And you are like, oh, this is amazing, a video went viral, this is so good. Yes, it's true. Or not, because imagine this, there is a viewer who liked the video and that particular viewer goes on your channel because they like the video and they want to see more, and there is no similar video. Even though they want to watch more videos from you, there isn't anything related or similar to that type of video. Maybe they liked your vlog and then you uploaded 20 explanation whiteboard videos. They don't want to watch that, they want to watch your vlog. And you just lost a viewer, an active viewer who would want to see you, but because there are no similar videos, they just don't watch you anymore. So what do we need? We need to win a viewer, and for that they have to like the video and they have to go on the channel and they have to see 20 more similar videos, just the one that they liked. And this is our goal, because this means that they see a video, they like it, they get the attention, they want to explore your channel more, and they are like, okay, this video I liked, let's watch this one. I like this as well. I like this as well. I like this as well. It works because it's the same format. It's not the same topic. We are not talking about topic here. It's the same format. So what is actually a similar video? As I told you, it's all about the format. It's the length, the style, and the editing. These are the main things that I believe take up a video's format, but maybe there are different things. You just have to get the idea and then you can apply it to yourself or your clients. It doesn't matter. You just have to get what I mean and what is the idea. And we haven't talked about topics yet. As I told you, this is just the format. So how to choose one? Try different things. So there is a strategy where you just post a lot of different videos, and the one that gets the most views and the one that gets the most attention, you do more of that. This is like based on the numbers. It doesn't matter what you like or what you don't like. It's just based on numbers. If it gets a lot of views, you do more of that. This is this strategy. But there is a strategy where you just find out what you like. You try different things, find out what you like, and you do that. But all of this, you have to think about your audience. Your audience, they want value. It's entertainment value or educational value. They just want value and you have to give value to them. So you have to give them something. This is a very important part, because you can give them something, but you can waste their time. And they have a lot of other things to do. They can watch Netflix. They can watch other YouTubers who know this. They can go outside and play with the boys. They can work on their own business. So if you waste their time by giving them something, even though it's a good value, but you waste their time, they won't watch you. So don't drag out your information. Give them something, but don't drag it out. If something can be said in 2 minutes, don't say it in 20. Like imagine if this video was 40 minutes long. I could make this 40 minutes long video, but it just doesn't matter. You just have to get the point and then you can apply it to yourself. That's the goal of this video. My advice right now is that format is up to you. Do what you want. And if you want to know what I would suggest, is the longer the better, but keep in mind this one. It's very important that you keep in mind this, because longer the better is usually true. If people watch more of your videos, you get more of the money, they trust you more, they are better because they have more content. So generally it's true. But again, if you say something in 20 minutes that can be said in 2 minutes, it's just not worth it. So I wouldn't do short videos, but sometimes it works, and if you want to give value away, focus on that, not on the length of the video. Also, I wouldn't make it distracting, so I wouldn't put like high level of editing because it's very expensive, it takes a lot of time. This is why the video editor problem exists, and it just distracts people. Of course, it's nice to have great animations and great things. If you want to do it, you can do it. But if you're an educational content creator, your main job is to give value to the viewers, give knowledge to your viewers. So you have to use effects that doesn't make it distracting. It helps to understand easier what you want to say to them, what you want to give to them. And the last thing that I recommend, if there is a face plus something, I think that is the best. So what do I mean by this? You right now see my face, and this could be with a nicer camera or with my phone, it doesn't matter, but you see my face, but you also see something else. You see this Miro board where I give presentations, but it could be a whiteboard that I hold next to my camera and write on it. Or it could be like a presentation, like a PowerPoint, fully made presentation. Or it can be a Google Doc. It doesn't really matter. It can be pictures as well. It doesn't really matter. But if they see your face and see something, I think it's giving two things that they can look at. It's more engaging and easier to understand. So if you understand this, you and your clients will make better videos, and you will make your clients' videos in one format, which will build the actual audience. So finding the format is very good to do in the beginning. I wouldn't like test out different 100 formats. Just start doing one, and then maybe you can change a little bit or you can do something else. But when you start working with someone, just figure out their format and start doing that. If you want to become a video creator and not just stay a video editor who competes with other video editors whose service isn't actually needed anymore, then check out the description. There is something that can help you to get more skills than 90% of other video editors and just be your unique video creator. Because as we know, this is the most important skill in the 21st century. See you in the next one.